Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope class 1 you all are fine. Today our English lesson, grammar lesson 1. It is about alphabets. Do you know what are the alphabets? Yes. Letters from A to Z are alphabet. Letter from A to Z are alphabet. How many there are? There are 26 letters in alphabet. How many letters? There are 26 letters in alphabet. Now we will see the capital letters. These are the capital letters. These are the capital alphabets. Then we will see the small alphabets. Yes, these are the small alphabets. Now here is the activity for you. You will see a picture. Here some alphabets are capital and beside it we are seeing small letters. Here B is the capital and small b. Here C is capital but there is no small c. We will write small c by ourselves. Like this, D is a capital and beside it we are seeing small d. Here capital E is missing, so we will write by ourselves capital E. In this worksheet or in this activity where you see that there is a missing small or capital letter, you will write by yourself. Now come to the next activity, activity number 2. Look at this. Here in these pictures, names of pictures are written, but these are written in mixed alphabets, small and capital. You will write them in a small letters. Sun is a universal truth, means it is the one only and one in the world or in the universe. So its first letter will be capital. We always write capital letter, first letter capital when we write a universal truth things like earth, sun, moon, the name of the months. We always start with the first letter capital. Now fox is an animal. You will write with the small letters like F, O and small x. Now horse, you will write with the small letters H, O, R, S. You will write in your notebook. Like this you will complete the spelling of duck as well. In the B exercise, here is a list of things, or you can say list of nouns. These are written different alphabets. You will arrange these name list in alphabetical order. Like if it starts with A, the second is, if it is B, if it is not, here it is not B, you will not write with the B. After A comes B, but there is no word starts with the B, so we'll come to the next letter, that is C. The cap is the second letter. Then you will see C. After C what comes? D. If there is a letter D starts, then you will write in third dog. You will write dog. After D, if there is D, E, if there is no E, then you will come to the next letter F, frog. You will start with frog. Fourth word is frog. you will write frog. Now all these you will write in alphabetical order. Complete your task and share in Google Class. Goodbye.